Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Henry, and in this video, I'll share everything you need to know about Biome before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings, so make sure to watch this video until the end to avoid wasting your money. First important warning. Be very careful where you purchase Biome because it is only sold on the official website. To make it easier for you, I've included the official link in the video description and pinned it in the first comment below. I'll be here in the corner of the screen throughout this review, sharing my experience and helping you decide if Biome really works. What is Biome? Biome is an advanced probiotic supplement designed to restore and maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Your microbiome is made up of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses, that influence digestion, immunity, metabolism, and even mental health. This supplement contains a powerful blend of probiotics and prebiotics to help restore gut balance, reduce bloating, support immune function, improve digestion. Key ingredients in Biome. Probiotic Strains contains beneficial bacteria like Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacterium lactis, and Saccharomyces boulardii to help balance gut flora by promoting good bacteria while reducing harmful ones. Prebiotics includes fungi and Inulin, which act as food for probiotics, helping them thrive and maintain a healthy gut environment. Benefits of Biome. Supports healthy digestion, helps improve nutrient absorption and reduce bloating, gas, and constipation. Boosts immune function. A strong gut means a stronger immune system, helping to prevent infections and inflammation. Reduces inflammation. Chronic gut inflammation can lead to IBS, discomfort, and fatigue. The probiotic strains in Biome help reduce inflammation and support a healthy gut lining. How to use Biome. Take 1 capsule per day, preferably with a meal. Follow the dosage instructions for maximum results. Results may take a few weeks, so consistency is key. If you are looking for a natural way to improve gut health, Biome might be exactly what you need. Don't forget to check the official website link in the description and the first comment below. Have you tried Biome? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.